Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mariah May, the Glamour. I'm a pro wrestler from the UK and I make YouTube videos. So today's video is another Opoly haul. Listen, I can explain. I just love Opoly, so I've been keeping an eye on Opoly for any little sales or new items that might suit a photo shoot I have coming up for my character, the Glamour, and shock horror, I managed to find a few things. So today I'm going to show you a few things that I bought, and they're specifically for a photo shoot I have coming up. They're super colourful, super fun and summery and bubbly and everything that I love, very pop princess. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I got and enjoy. So the first thing that I got is this lilac and peach swimsuit. So off it might look a bit strange. What I loved about it was the colour. It's very pop princess, it's very bright and fun, and I love the contrast of the lilac and the peach. And essentially what it will do is just show off your midsection, and I think that's really different and really nice. I'm not sure if I would actually properly wear this to the beach because tan lines and I don't know how secure it would be. I mean, it's actually really well made, like the back's really nice. I like how it comes up to the neck. It's very structured, very well fitted for a swimsuit, but just this whole action in the middle for a photo shoot, obviously you're controlled and you're like posing and you're still, but to wear it to the beach, I don't know, we'll see. You might see me on holiday if I ever go on holiday anytime soon, which I can't see happening, but you might see me on holiday in this, you might know, but it will definitely be used for my photo shoot. I think it's so cool. I love the contrasting colours. Like I say, I love this little bit on the back as well. I think it's very well made, very well structured, which I didn't expect it to be that fitted, which makes me very happy because I think it's going to fit better and be way more flattering. And the next thing that I got is exactly the same, but it's actually pink and baby green. If you know me, you know I absolutely love pink. It's definitely my colour. I have everything in pink, from wrestling gear to dresses to everything. I love pink. And I just thought, again, the contrast of the colours, like it reminds me of like a little sweet or a bit of candy. It's just so bright and I love the two colours together, so I absolutely love this. Again, the same thing with the structure. It's really nice. This will definitely come in handy for the photo shoot. And you know what, I feel like I will wear them to the beach. I know they're going to be very, you know, you've got to be very careful in them, but I think they're so pretty and it would be a shame to just wear them for a photo shoot because they are quite pricey, because Opoly is a little bit more on the expensive side, but I think it is worth it because in my experience the quality has always been very good. So I went for a small. Normally I'm a medium in the bikini top and a small in the bottoms. Before a swimsuit I felt like I'd rather go for a small and it will be tight and kept in, because there's nothing worse if you have a swimsuit with cutouts that is a bit loose, then you're going to be flashing or it might be unflattering. So yeah, I went for a small in this and it seems to be about right, so hopefully I'll try them on before I post this and let you guys know if it fits. But yeah, I just love the colours. They actually had a baby pink and dark pink instead of green, which I really liked, and I really struggled to pick because I love pink and that's very me, but then I just love the contrast of these two. I thought it was so pretty. I love the pop of green. I love that it looked like a little bit of candy. So yeah, this is the next piece that I got. And the final thing that I got is definitely my favourite, and this isn't for a photo shoot or anything like that, although knowing me I'll probably do like a little photo shoot in it because I can't help myself, but this is just more for summer or like going to the bar or like a nice day date. I think it would be so pretty with like a little pair of like tennis shoes or Converse and then just like a nice little cute bag and maybe a cardigan. I think there's so much option with it, and it's just this really pretty lilac bodycon dress, and what I love is it's got this kind of elasticated bit at the bottom that says Poly on it, which I think is really cool. It's a nice detail that it makes it more than just a plain dress, but it's still really simple, really basic. It's going to go with tons of stuff, and like I say, I like that it's fitted but casual because I'm not a massive fan of super baggy clothes. They don't really suit me. Like I like a skater skirt or kind of baggier trousers, but for the most part, baggy tops especially, they just don't really suit me. So I like tight clothes, but they're always super dressy. So in the day I'm like, what do I wear without looking like I'm going on a night out? So anything like this that's super basic and simple, but it has a little bit of detailing and it's just not over the top, it's definitely perfect for me for during the day and for those kind of casual looks. And I love the cut of it too. I think it's such a nice cut. I like that it's a little bit higher at the back, so if you wanted to wear a bra you can and it won't show. It's a nice thick material, so I don't feel like it's going to be see-through. I don't think it's going to show off any kind of lines of your bra or anything like that. And like I say, for me the highlight is certainly the bottom. I think it's so nice, and also it means that like the skirt's not going to ride up really because it's elastic, so it should probably stay in place. But yeah, I absolutely love this. I'm not sure if they do any more colours, but I'd definitely be interested to look at that maybe when I get paid to get a couple more bits. I went for an 8. With the poly dresses, it's a difficult one for me. Like sometimes they come up a little bit big and sometimes like the satin ones are tiny, but I normally go for an 8. I think 8 is always the safest. So yeah, I've gone for an 8 in this. I'm normally an 8 or a size 10, but I know poly, I've gone for a size 8 in the dress, and I just love the colour and I love this. I think this is so cute. So that is my mini poly haul. Like I said, the 2 swimsuits are probably going to be used for the photo shoot. That's why I bought them, but I might wear them to the beach. I don't know, we'll see how I feel, but I feel like you could actually style it up with like a skirt or a pair of jeans if you were feeling adventurous, so we'll see how that goes. But I love them, but my favourite is definitely the little day dress, because it means when I go for lunch with my friends or if I go on a day date with my boyfriend, I have something nice to wear that isn't like I'm going on a night out, you know? So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below and let me know what your favourite bit is. Make sure to follow me on all my social media handles. It's at MariahMayX, so you can see my photo shoots. And yeah, be sure to subscribe for tons more content like this. Thanks for watching.